Hello everyone, I am Saruk. Welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, I talked about my journey for improving my English. How did I improve my communication skills, as well as how I did improve my English language. I would like to thank you for supporting me. So now today I am going to talk about what is importance of English. Why English language is most important? What is reason behind it? If I talk about of India, in India 22 main languages of India, but every state has own native language and every person has own mother tongue. But my mother tongue is a Angika. I like my mother tongue. I love my mother tongue, but as well as I love my English language also because I am practicing for English language for learning, so that's why. Okay, so let's come on the point. English, what's region more important? English is a global language as well as English is a international language. That's why English is a more important. If I talk about job purpose, if you want to do job in a company, so how will you get in select in that company? If you are good speaker, if you are good speaker of English language, you can easily crack interview and you can get selected. Okay, and you can earn more than more money. So without English you can't crack any interview. It's my actual experience. As well as I think if you haven't any degree, so doesn't matter, only you are a good speaker of English, you can also crack interview and you can earn more than more money. Okay, second things, if you are going abroad for visiting purpose, otherwise you are doing work purpose, so how will you talk to their people? All foreigner peoples only speak in English, so how will you to manage there? So that's why English is more important. If you know English, you can talk easily of foreigner peoples and you can also get more than more knowledge. So and your also increase will like more than more increases because you depend of your English if you are good speaker then. And the third things, suppose that if you are traveling to another place, so how will you talk to different people? Like that people don't know Hindi language, don't know your mother tongue language, so how you will talk? If suppose that if you will ask if I am going to another place, how I will go, can you tell me? So how he will tell? He don't know, you don't know English, so that there also was facing problem. Actually I'm saying my actual experience. I went Andhra, so there all people's only Telugu, so I didn't get Telugu language, so I said, can you speak in English? So he said, yeah, I know English. Then I talk to easily person. So it's my actual it was my actual experience. Okay, okay, I think you get my point. I hope you understood whatever I said. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. I will meet next video. Next video are coming how do you think in English? How will you think in English? So lots of people was saying, if you are beginner, then you lots of people was saying if you want to learn English, first of all you think in English. So tomorrow video are coming, how do you think English? अब इंग्लिश में कैसे सोचेंगे? So that video are coming tomorrow. Okay, carry on in this platform for you, helpful for you. Okay, if you are want to learn English. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.